Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with LearnVest. Closed, complete guide step by step clearly. To register with LearnVest, start by visiting their official website. Look for the sign up or get started button on the homepage. Click on it to be directed to the registration page. You will need to provide your email address in the designated field. Create a strong password that meets the specified criteria. Confirm your password by entering it again in the provided box. Next, fill out your first and last name in the appropriate sections. Select your financial goals from the options listed. Input any additional required information regarding your financial situation. Review the terms of service and privacy policy provided. Make sure to check the box indicating that you agree to these terms. Click on the Create Account button to proceed with your registration. You may receive a confirmation email in your inbox shortly after. Open the email and click on the verification link to activate your account. Once your account is activated, return to the LearnVest website. Log in using the email and password you just created. You are now ready to begin utilizing LearnVest's financial planning tools. Explore the platform to familiarize yourself with its features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.